Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to be talking about propane tanks. But first, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down there, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified of every video I put out and you don't miss any of these good times. All right, propane tanks. I think just about everybody has something that runs on propane, whether it's a backyard barbecue, just a simple grill, one of the big ones, a camping stove, whether it's a turkey fryer, something that runs on propane. And you really need to make sure that you have plenty of propane, especially heading into winter, because if the power goes out, that may be your only source of heat. Now, one thing to remember is that you can use the propane cook camp stoves and stuff indoors because it's just like your natural gas stove. Just the same. There's no extra carbon monoxide or anything else that comes off of the propane than comes off natural gas. And besides your normal 5-gallon or 7-gallon propane tanks, don't forget your smaller ones. All right. The small ones too, the green ones, these ones, the little bit smaller ones can work. You need to have a supply of those for your backpacking stoves or anything else that uses the small ones like this. Especially if you have propane lanterns, you want to have a supply for your propane lanterns as well. All right. Well, that takes care of propane tanks for everyone. Just a reminder, write it down, make sure you're stocked up, and if you need to, pick up a couple extra ones. And as always, everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Stay prepared most of all. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.